Hey, how's it going, guys? Kat right here. I am so excited for this video because today we are going to be talking about how gardening is truthfully a lot of trial and error. You gotta realize you're gonna make mistakes. So I help you beautify your yard, and man, I have fun doing it. Stick around. Gardening is basically an art, it is a science, it is a hobby, and man, I really love it because I get outside and I'm just being in the sun and I'm being around plants and oh, I love doing gardening and it is definitely a hobby of mine. But one thing that is so great is thinking about gardening is an art. Because if you take a yard that doesn't really have any gardening, there's not a lot to it, and then you take that same yard, add plants, flowers, bushes, a beautiful vegetable garden, it just really beautifies any area. I love it. I realize not all the plants you plant are going to live. It is quite a bit of trial and error, especially if you're brand new at this and you don't totally know what you're getting into. And if you plant something and it does end up dying, like I've had many times, you just gotta look at the situation and realize, okay, was this too much sun for this plant? Was this not enough sun for this plant? Did it get over or underwatered? You just gotta look at the experience, do your best to not let it happen again. And remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.